My name is Madhusudan Vishisht. I've spent nearly 3 decades working at the intersection of enterprise technology, ERP, business transformation, data, and more recently, artificial intelligence. The foundation of my career is very deep Oracle ERP experience. I actually started with Oracle Corporation in worldwide sports, supporting Oracle financials and major enterprise customers. I did support like Sun Microsystem, Hitachi, Netscape, AT&T, etc. From there, I moved into leadership and techno-functional roles involving Oracle implementation, upgrades, integrations, production support, business process improvement, and enterprise architecture. For more than 13 years at GD, I worked as senior principal IT analyst, supporting a very complex project-centric Oracle uh, environment. My experience covered Oracle financials, GL, APAR, fixed assets, cash management, purchasing, project accounting, costing, as well as procure to pay, order to cash, reconciliation, and month-end close. I also worked extensively with the integration between Oracle and other enterprise systems, including PeopleSoft, TM1, and IFS. Participated in the implementation of Oracle Fusion Cloud for General Dynamics mission systems. What I believe differentiate me is that I don't look at ERP simply as an application. I look at it as transactional backbone of the enterprise. The real transformation opportunity comes from connecting that transactional backbone with a trusted enterprise data platform, analytics, cloud services, and increasingly AI. That brings me to data transformation and AI. In my recent work as an AI solution architect, I have been leading the design of an enterprise RAG platform integrated with the SAP reporting and analytics for a large manufacturing organization. I have also worked on knowledge retrieval and project documentation solutions around Microsoft Dynamics 365. Previously, I designed architecture patterns for integrating LLM-based assistants with Oracle EBS workflows, allowing users to interact with financial and operational information using natural language while maintaining enterprise security and governance. From a data architecture perspective, I think about the problems in layers. First, ERP and operational systems need to remain trusted systems of record. Second, enterprise data needs to be consolidated, governed, modeled, and made accessible through a modern data lake or lakehouse architecture. And third, the trusted data foundation becomes the basis for dashboards, advanced analytics, machine learning, generative AI, and AI agents. Regarding Databricks, my deepest hands-on experience has been Oracle ERP Enterprise Integration, Analytics, and AI architectures rather than years of Databricks platform administration. However, I understand the lakehouse architecture and the role platforms such as Databricks play in bringing structured and unstructured enterprise data together for analytics, machine learning, and AI. I also see agentic AI as the next logical step in enterprise automation. But I believe organizations need to be very selective about where agents are used. When evaluating a process, I would first ask, should this process simply be automated? Should I assist a human? Should an agent perform part of the process? Or should several agents coordinate activities across multiple enterprise systems? Now, this is a purely very AI focused utopian kind of view, but this has not been happening in reality as we have seen in MIT study or Stanford study. The real system is not a straight line. It's more like a jagged line under microscope. But nevertheless, there are agents which can help in reconciliation, in error analysis, looking through the tickets, digging a lot of knowledge which is not structured, and that is the benefit of AI. And we can add structured knowledge and unstructured knowledge together to speed up the solutions and get better value out of our investment. That is where concepts such as LLM, RAG tool, and function calling, orchestration, enterprise search, memory, security, observability, and human in the loop controls become important. But technology alone is not transformation. My approach would be to work with the CIO and business leadership to create a portfolio of opportunities and evaluate each one based on business value, feasibility, data readiness, integration complexity, risk, cost, and speed to impact. That is also why I believe I'm strong match for this position. I bring three perspectives that are difficult to find together. First, I have deep Oracle, ERP, and business process experience. Second, I understand how ERP connects with enterprise applications, integration, analytics, data architecture, and cloud technologies. And third, I have actively moved into generative AI, RAG, and agentic AI, so I can help connect emerging AI capabilities to real enterprise process rather than treating AI as an isolated experiment. It's basically moving from proof of concept to a production ready solution. For me, enterprise transformation is ultimately about connecting process, applications, data, and AI to produce measurable improvements in the business performance.